On the 18th green, Shooter McGavin is putting for the win.
Oh my.
Wow. Wait.
Yo, so we're in Seattle right now.
Capitol Hill.
Randomly see Johnny in line for the pattern.
Ralph was like, hey, is that Johnny? And every time we say, is that Johnny? It's usually somebody else that looks like Johnny.
This guy really wants these sneakers. He tried online.
I woke up this morning at 7. I went to the gym. I was a little bummed I didn't get them. I got a little notification. I might have another chance. It's not that bad. People wait in line longer for a churro at Disneyland or.
What's up? Do you want us to go grab you some food or what do you want? You want a chair?
Yeah. It's not that serious.
You know, let's support you.
What are you guys doing out here?
All right, let me go talk to him. What are you, 10 and a half?
Go sneak in a little word from me, Rich.
All right, man. I don't got much pull here, but. We talked to the guy. Line cuts off at like 10 people. So, you want to go to this little vintage spot with us?
Hey, let's go check it out.
No. I'll take it out. Give me a donut at least.
We're gonna go thrifting.
Bogey
today.
Boys is Macklemore's brand.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go see what we can find. Should be some dope stuff.
You know what's dope about this is I feel like I'm in a shop in New York. And I feel like this has the perfect theme and vibe. You got the greenery for the golf. You got the golf clubs over there.
Man, I think of Happy Gilmore.
Hey.
Happy Gilmore vibes, one of my favorite Adam Sandler movies. That movie is
It's all in the
Happy Gilmore,
It's all
Shooter
in
McGavin. Check out this cart though. Bentley, Rolls Royce. What is it? Rolls Royce golf cart.
See, it kind of has that like retro bowling aesthetic with the golf.
There's a difference between vintage and vintage hype. We are now in the vintage hype.
Vintage hype. Like we were saying earlier, kind of like a curated collection of vintage collectors and stores. So like Throwbacks Northwest is out here. Red Light, you know, the Red Light store that we went to. So they all kind of have their own section. I like this because sometimes when you go to like the thrift store, it's just
A little overwhelming.
Yeah.
A little overwhelming. They kind of curated the good pieces, the good quality pieces for us to just kind of splurge on. Look at this. Check out this little old school Macintosh.
Yeah. That reminds me of the one vlog, All right, let's go see if we could find something. All right, so I found this vintage Jordan jacket right here. Cool gray, super clean, kind of like a bomber windbreaker. Let me just try on.
Which one you gonna try on? I think the gray one's kind of
Gray?
sick. You see everybody with the blue one.
I like the blue.
All right, let's try it on. That's a nice fit. What you feel like?
Season ticket holder over.
Hey.
All right, if it's under 50, I'll cop.
Oh, these are pricey.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, these are
These are
starter. I believe this is a starter or chalk line.
250. Man, I used to be big on the vintage hats, but lately, man, you know, I caught a cold case of a little, actually I shouldn't even be saying this, but my head was itching a little bit once after trying on a hat. I can't do it anymore,
Rich,
man.
you probably didn't do the proper sanitizing. You didn't brush it with some nice soap. You know, you basically, come on, man.
Come on.
Whoever served, you went right after him.
I
You
was-
go and catch the sweat that he had.
I felt his vibe on my head, on my scalp, bro. Cardinal Johnson had didn't really use the head and shoulders. So when I tried on the hat, your boy felt it.
Yep.
Felt the flakes.
What?
It's something about vintage hats though.
Yeah.
Like the fit, the shape.
Yeah,
the
but you gotta
material.
wash them. You gotta wash
have to
them.
wash them.
Yeah,
You
don't
have
be
to
trying them on in the
properly
store.
wash them.
That's my my tip for you guys.
Halloween is coming up. Man, let me just put this on real quick. You guys let me know what you guys think, right? Look at I'll tell you one thing, it fits perfectly. Rich.
You look like when Lloyd was about to go on his date.
Oh, that's not the classic. Only thing this thing's missing is the visms.
So you got the tassels.
That is
on
true.
top
Nice
and the
little
tassels on the
tassels.
bottom?
Yep.
That's a lot of tassels.
This Jordan tee is fire right here.
Super
Fire.
soft, single stitch.
How much you think?
Hey, you said single stitch? Like you
Hey,
said single.
hey, man's knows his stuff.
Vintage man now.
Yeah, he's vintage.
Is Is this too distressed? Or is it perfectly distressed?
Would you feel clean wearing this?
80 bucks? 80's not bad at all. Try this little puppy on,
details,
man.
you know, with the
Shit clean.
corduroy
collar.
All right, so Tan found this vintage.
I'm a sucker for denim jackets, man.
This is gonna be your second one, if anything.
Yeah, you just copped one in the other video. This one fits better.
Yeah, because it doesn't hang
Trust
so much
me,
on the side.
this one fits better, man.
Wow.
The man's going crazy over the vintage denim jackets lately.
He's a real denim jacket boy.
All right.
This is perfectly distressed.
Look at that.
He was wrangling some cattle.
This is on a real cowboy.
Yeah, that was on a real cow. You know, Tan. Are you ready to handle what this jacket brings, though? Are you ready for cattle life?
I mean, they're gonna ask me how many horses I'm dealing with, haystacks I'm throwing, tossing around here. I'll say one
Just
thing
show them
about
the
denim
calluses
jackets.
on your fingers, man. Yeah, let them know. Just go, I be out here. Cop it. All right, so Johnny's been saying he's been, you know, trying to go for this new, like,
A little more preppy.
just a little more preppy, you know?
A little more ALD.
There you go.
With a little West Coast touch.
There you go. So you might want to throw on the knit sweatshirt with the little snapback, Raider snapback, you know what I mean? Woohoo! I think for these type of pieces, it's definitely really important to balance it with like a streetwear piece, like a snapback, or you know what I mean?
I would actually was gonna go with fisherman beanie.
Fisherman beanie, yeah.
Beanie. How's it fit?
Fits good, actually.
Yeah, my shoulders don't look too tight.
Fits good, fits good.
You know what? Cop it.
Oh, whoo.
I like it.
Big boy Johnny's copping the knit sweatshirt. You know, if this was at ALD, it'd be 350 bucks.
That's what I'm saying. Are you allowed to wear bowling shirts with other people's names on it? Because I'll be a Ken for a little bit. I'm just looking for a Barbie.
Big boy.
Big boy.
I say you could just take a little actually just take on the new nickname Ken.
Hey guys, my name's Ken now.
You do look like a Ken.
Looking for a Barbie.
Looking for a Barbie.
What's going on, everybody? I gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Manscape, specifically their foot duster, foot deodorant. This thing is a odor neutralizer and it prevents sweat, all right? So if you guys got stinky feet, this is the thing to defeat. It is made from natural ingredients such as coconut oil, peppermint leaf oil, and a cooling tea tree oil. That just sounds like something I want to put on my feet right now, and my feet don't even stink. Sometimes. Also features Manscaped's signature scent. You could just put this on after the shower or keep it in your gym bag after a workout or whatnot. Very, very useful. Hit that link in the description box below, manscaped.com/Richie for 20% off and free shipping, all right? They got a lot of other great items. Shout out to the Lawnmower 4.0, always using that. No snagging on the baby dragon, all right? Shout out to Manscaped. Check them out.
They had a golf putting green right here. We're gonna be doing it for lunch.
For lunch, let's do
For
it.
lunch, all right. Least amount of hits.
Least
to
amount
the
of
hole.
strokes, baby.
In the hole. In the hole.
Hey.
Let's just say I've taken a lot of dates to Fan Fun Center. Let's do it. All right.
You go first. Johnny, go first.
Hey, why not?
Keep it going.
Keep track of your ball. Keep track of your ball.
A little too much muscle. A little too much muscle.
All right. Shoulders, nice and easy. Tap it in, baby. All right, Rich, what's your tips? He's trying to.
You don't know. There might be a little draft in here.
Unplayable conditions. The wind is causing havoc. Oh my, what a place.
I've never seen a putt do that, though. That
I've
is
never.
You got the look down.
You got to look down.
Nice.
For a big guy, he's got a smooth, rhythmic swing.
Back of the leaders because he looks to me.
How about this?
What'd he say? What'd he say? He talking about Family Fun Center? Go ahead. This ain't Family Fun Center, boy.
All right, so Johnny's off the board.
Let her down today, but this is a good one.
Oh, baby, look at that. Oh, man, she was almost going home.
Wait a second. You just got to get out. You just got to get out.
Trying to match Matsuyama here at the 10th. Get him to -7 with birdies. Oh, is it going to hang there?
Man, don't miss this layup.
What is it? Last place by lunch?
So close.
Ralph,
You
Ralph,
get
Ralph,
this.
Ralph, if you don't make this,
Richie's
buddy,
paying for dinner.
if you don't make this,
Damn.
This is getting intense.
This is where we seal the deal, ladies and gentlemen. What y'all want? Sushi tonight? What do we want? Ralph?
Sushi.
Ralph? You don't want it?
What?
On the 18th green, Shooter McGavin is putting for the win.
Oh my.
Look,
Hey,
not
man.
all athletes got to run around and shoot a ball and catch a ball. Okay, some of us play golf. All right.
All right, Ralph. Let's go. Let's go.
Ralph,
We're
where-
good.
where- where-
So since I lost to the boys in mini golf, we decided to go the Thai. They ordered the whole menu.
I was gonna say I'm ordering what is it? Mango sticky rice.
Yeah, you got crab rangoon, sticky rice.
Richie got $11 chicken wings.
You guys already know. We're done with work. Gotta stop by and get some bubble tea before we go home, man. Ralph recommended this place.
See, that was best tea.
Just a couple of jasmine green tea milk teas with almond jelly, baby.
See, that was best tea.
Better be. Wow.